Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfollow all Facebook pages at once. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Facebook open here. First, I can tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, and then you will see pages as an option. Here on the lower left portion of the screen, I will tap on that, and then you can see at the very top, pages, create, meta business suite, discover, invites. If you scroll over, you can see like pages, and this will show you all of the pages that you have liked or followed. You can just scroll through this list and see the long list of pages you have liked or followed through time. So if you want to unlike all of these, so you can tap the three dots here. There's no one button that says you can unlike every single page at once. Unfortunately, they just don't give you that as an option. However, you can go in here and just tap, unlike here. It's pretty quick and easy to be able to unlike all of these. It will take you not too long to just go through the list. If you accidentally hit, unlike on one and you want to like it, you can just tap it again. So that's the easy way to be able to go through all of the Facebook pages that you have liked or followed, and you can unlike all of them quickly. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.